The project isn't done until the customer says so. But that doesn't mean they can keep asking you to do things. During closing, you run acceptance tests to prove that the project is complete. Back in planning, you fleshed out the project deliverables and defined clear and quantifiable success criteria. Now it's time to design acceptance tests to demonstrate whether the deliverables do what they're supposed to. You also document procedures for running those tests. Let's look at the hospital scheduling project. A first batch of acceptance tests might demonstrate that the system is running and that devices can connect to it. Once those tests are complete, you might run a second batch to see whether hospital data uploaded correctly into the new system. After that, more tests might show that the most common scheduling tasks can be completed efficiently. When the acceptance tests are done, hold a brief sign-off meeting to get the customer and other key stakeholders to sign the acceptance document. That means they agree that the deliverables are complete and successful. Congratulations! Obtaining customer acceptance is a big milestone and worthy of a celebration.